Hi, xin chào. Hi guys and welcome to my vlog. My name is Nhi Nguyen and I'm here on my first night in Dublin, Ireland.
This one?
Yeah.
So let's begin this vlog with a little bit background about myself. I am an international Arab and I'm from Ho Chi Minh City, the south of Vietnam. I will be an upcoming junior for Fox School of Business with my major in Management Information System. And this summer, I decided to study abroad again. During my 2 months, also be interning at Nova UCD, which is the incubator where they launch new companies and they also do research for a multinational company. Before my flight, I also went online, checked Google Maps to see the directions from the airport to my apartment and printed out the direction to campus. You won't be able to have data, and then if I go out of the airport, I won't be able to have free Wi-Fi. This map, I'll be able to ask the bus driver or to take me to the right location because I can show them, and then since they local people here, they would know where I'm heading at. I decided to go online and then check the weather in Ireland, and I found out that in the average temperature of 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit. However, the weather tends to be like unpredictable sometimes when it can change from rainy to sunny within a few hours. Packing clothes, the 2L strategies, which stand for light and layers. So for light, I pack mostly a few pair of jeans as well as some of my t-shirts, so I can mix and match and create different outfits with them. For my second strategy, which is layers, I had to take my jacket with me because with that case I'd be able to be flexible and adapt to the weather. If the weather is too cold, I can put on my jacket, and then if the weather is too hot, I can take off my jacket. Packing for my shampoo, my lotion, skincare routine, I decided to pack a mini travel sample of everything. So I have my shampoo with me, my bath gel with me. Everything is like tiny enough so that it won't be very heavy when I pack it in my suitcase. And for shampoo and bath gel, I can always buy them at a convenience store or supermarket nearby. To prepare for my internship, I pack professional business clothes with me, like my suit, my skirt, a white t-shirt in case I have to attend any professional business event. I also received the contact information from the companies and the person who's going to be my advisors. So I went on LinkedIn and then I searched for the names on LinkedIn in order to get to know the person. After that, I sent an email, an introduction emails to say hello to my new advisors. Then I went online and I searched for business working environment in Ireland because I want to make sure that I know some of the cultural nurture or how people work together in a working environment. I will have an on-site interview next week, so please stay tuned and see what's going to happen. Am I prepared enough, and is there anything else that I need to do, or like just hear my experience about my internship. So that's all I have for my first vlog. Before I end my video here, I have a few interesting facts. First interesting fact: everyone at Temple can study abroad. Even though you are an international student, you are an American student, you can study abroad. Second interesting fact: you as international student need to check for the visa requirement. Prepare in advance, go online, ask the advisor, or check out the website of the consulate general embassy. Third and final interesting fact: even though you already have a visa at your study abroad destination, if you take transiting flight, you might need to apply for a visa even though you're just transiting and you just stay in the airport. Thank you for watching my vlog, and I can't wait to see you guys again in the next few weeks. Bye!